How to connect Phantom Wallet with pump.fun. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect your Phantom Wallet to pump.fun. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Phantom Wallet from your Play Store or the App Store, and once you install that you'll be able to see open over here, so you can just open Phantom Wallet, and once you're in your Phantom Wallet you'll be redirected to your home page, and over here you need to select this explore icon at the bottom right. In some of the devices it might be a globe, and in some of the devices it is a compass type of icon. So just click on this option at the bottom right, and once you click on that you will be redirected to an interface where you can find sites, tokens and URLs. So what you have to do is that click on sites, and once you click on site you'll be able to see an interface like this. Now here right now Jupyter is #1 trending, and then it's Dex Screener, and then it's pump.fun. So in order to connect your Phantom Wallet to pump.fun you have to click on pump.fun, and once you click on that you will be redirected to the interface of pump.fun. As you can see, I've been redirected to the pump.fun interface. So now here are some steps that how it works. So what you can do is pick a coin that you like, buy the coin on the bonding curve, sell at any time to lock in your profits or losses. When enough people buy on the bonding curve, it reaches a market cap of $100,000. So you can just give it a read and then just click on I'm ready to pump. Once you click on that you have to just select the cookies. You can just accept selection, and after that what you have to do is connect your wallet. So just click on connect wallet over here, and after that here you need to write down your email, or you can click on Phantom over here. So if you wish to connect your Phantom Wallet to pump.fun, you can just click on Phantom, and once you click on Phantom you will be redirected to this interface. Now this is the account username or the number which you can write of the account, and then click on connect. And once you click on connect they'll give this your ID of pump.fun, and then you can select your account and also the network. Here I've selected the network Solana. You can change it according to your own demand, and then click on confirm. And after that they're confirming your wallet, and once your wallet is confirmed you need to sign into your pump.fun. Here you have to set a username. They have given me a default username, or you can even change the username. But know that you can change your username once every day, and then you can write down any bio. Just type in any bio for your own understanding, and then click on save. And after you click on save you'll be able to see that your wallet now has been connected. Over here is my profile and my username, so you can just click on view profile in order to see the profile. So now your Phantom Wallet has been successfully connected to your pump.fun. So that is basically how you can connect Phantom Wallet to pump.fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.